Pandas is a Python data manipulation and analysis library used for working with the datasets. It was developed by Wes McKinney in the year of 2008. Actually, Pandas is used to analyze the data. It also allows importing data from various file formats such as comma-separated values, that is CSV, JSON, SQL database tables or queries, and Microsoft Excel. What is data frame? Data frame is the very important two-dimensional data structure method used in Pandas library. It is used to display all the data in tabular format, that is rows and columns. A data frame stores data in cells, each cell that contains rows and columns. Generally, Pandas has been used extensively in production financial applications. This program is used to display the list of strings using Pandas DataFrame. The first line is used to import the Pandas library. Second line, that is variable declaration, that is LST. In this program, ls is a variable declaration for storing a list of strings, that is hello world. Python is powerful for data science. Next line, the next variable is df. df is the variable to store all the list of strings in two-dimensional structure using data frame. The last line is used to display or print the list of strings in two-dimensional structure. This is the output of Pandas and DataFrame Python program. All the list of strings which are displayed in data tabular format. This is the output. Thank you, dear students. Share, like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.